Scientists have announced the discovery of the world's earliest known mosquito fossil. It is a male, and it looks like it sucked blood. Welcome back to Paleopedia, and everyone hates mosquitoes. They are found pretty much everywhere around the world, with about 3,500 species known. Of those 3,500 species, only about 6%, or just a little over 200 species, actually suck blood of humans and animals. And of those 200 species, contrary to popular belief, only the females are actively seeking to drink blood from people and animals. The males are actually feeding on nectar. And evolutionarily speaking, mosquitoes are actually pretty old. While the fossil record is pretty scattered, molecular evidence suggests that the earliest mosquitoes evolved during the Jurassic period around 226 million years ago. And up until today, the earliest known fossil dates back to about 79 million years ago, which is during the Middle Cretaceous. But this new fossil, it's actually two fossils, date back about 30 million years earlier to the late early Cretaceous, or the late lower Cretaceous. Amazingly, both of these fossilized specimens are males from the same species, which gives us a pretty unique look into this particular kind of mosquito. One of these mosquitoes is preserved in amber from Lebanon, so it is exquisitely preserved and gives us a unique look at the anatomy of this particular species. Now, male mosquitoes today feed on nectar because their proboscis, which is the piercing part of their mouth parts, are not strong enough to pierce the skin of humans and animals, so they have to go after the nectar. The female mouth parts are much stronger and are specifically designed to pierce the skin of creatures. And notably, both of these males from this newly discovered set of fossils have piercing mouth parts, including one exceptionally sharp triangular mandible with small tooth-like denticles on it. This heavily suggests that both of these males were capable, at the very least, of sucking the blood of prehistoric animals. So at least in ancient times, one species of mosquitoes, both the males and females, could suck blood. This is still a new discovery though, so we don't really know exactly how extensive this was for the whole lineage of mosquito evolution. And now that this discovery has been made, there are two new questions to try to figure out. The first one is, what was the purpose of the males being able to suck blood? And the second question is, why doesn't this exist anymore in modern mosquitoes today? So it's not only a very useful discovery for mosquito evolution, it also helps us understand the insect evolution overall, as well as close a couple gaps in the fossil record that we have. Of course, this doesn't change anything about the world's hatred of mosquitoes, but a cool discovery nonetheless.